Hi, welcome back to the tenorshare channel. Look, my iPhone 14 is stuck in this, which shows support.apple.com/iphone/restore.com. Even tried to turn off the phone for thousands of times. It's still no response. But no worries. Below I have listed the most reliable 4 ways how to fix this problem. First, I want you to know why iPhone will be stuck in support.apple.com/iphone/restore, which is called recovery mode. In most cases, this is due to software related to failed iOS updating, downgrading, or restoring, etc. Okay, let's go ahead with method 1. Fix with ReiBoot, which is the most efficient way. ReiBoot is a tool that can fix more than 150 iOS system issues. I will put the free download link in the description. I suggest your guys try this. First, connect your iPhone to a PC. Then open ReiBoot, click the exit recovery mode option, and wait for a little while. Then you can see, my iPhone is out of the restore screen. It is very easy. Go give it a try. Method 2. Force restart. A reboot might fix the issue too, so let's try it. Press the volume up and press the volume down button. Then press and hold the power button. Keep holding till the Apple logo appears. Oh, my iPhone returns to the restore screen like before, which means it fails. If this happens on your iPhone too, you need to follow the next 2 methods to fix it. Method 3. iOS system repair, no data loss. Connect your iPhone to a PC. Launch ReiBoot. Click the green start button. Here you will see 2 options, standard repair and deep repair. Both can help you to fix the iOS system issues. Standard repair can help you to fix your iOS system without data loss. Deep repair will erase all the data but guarantee higher success rate. Let's try standard repair first. Here will require a download, just click it. Be patient, wait for the download complete. It won't be long. Then click Start Standard Repair. The repair process might take some time. Do not disconnect your iPhone during the process, or it won't work. When it is done, you can see my iPhone is back to its normal state. Go try it on. If none of the above methods work on your iPhone, you should try the last method. Method 4. Deep repair. It will completely clear your iPhone to its original state. Do remember to back up your iPhone. Click the green start button and click deep repair this time. Here also require a download. I will skip the download process. Click start deep repair. This process also takes some time. Be patient. And do not disconnect during the process. When the process is over, you can see the iPhone is back to normal again. You can access it without any problem. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed in one of the methods. I will be grateful if you subscribe. Stay tuned for our next videos.